Top 10. Best Selfie Sticks for GoPro. These products will ensure that you can broadcast them with clarity and precision. Number 10. Monopod for GoPro, the Ticket. This is a lightweight monopod that weighs just 10 ounces and shrinks to just 15 inches, making it an ideal companion on any trip. This product is made of waterproof aluminum for durability, although it's not built for underwater activities. Sturdy and lightweight construction. Made from waterproof aluminum. Rubber grip for better handling. Number 9. Foneso Selfie Stick, which is designed to fit GoPros, smartphones, and digital cameras. This is similar to the Fotopro model above, meaning that it comes with some pretty remarkable extras. First of all, it has a screw-on tripod that fits on the bottom of the stick. Telescopes up to 36 inches. Durable aluminum construction. Twist locking mechanism. Number 8. Fotopro Selfie Stick. But want something that is a bit more robust, then you might like this model from the Alaska Life. While it doesn't come with the same level of features, tripod, shutter remote, it is much more sturdy and can hold up to almost any environment with ease. Telescopes up to 28 inches. Tripod included and attaches to the base. Bluetooth remote shutter. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best selfie sticks for GoPro or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 7. SANDMARC pole. If you're not a hardcore adventurer, but you still want a selfie stick that can capture your travels and document your exploits, then this model from Fotopro may be a good option for you. Ones that we've seen, but it is multifunctional as it can fit most digital cameras as well as smartphones. Compact and lightweight design. Weighs just 7 ounces. Durable waterproof aluminum construction. Number 6. Hsu Selfie Stick. So far, we've seen what SANDMARC poles can do at 50 and 40 inches, but if you want something more compact and easy to carry, we have the super small edition. Stick you can find. It telescopes between 10 and 25 inches. Multifunctional selfie stick. Durable aluminum alloy construction. Telescopes from 15 to 44 inches. Number 5. Selfie World Professional. For those looking for a super versatile selfie stick, Selfie World model above, this particular unit is compatible not only with GoPro cameras but cell phones and digital cameras as well. The adjustable tripod mount makes it easy to switch back and forth. Lightweight and durable construction. Fully waterproof and submersible. Quick and easy locking mechanisms. Number 4. Selfie World Professional. So far, we've seen ones that are built for GoPros exclusively, but this next unit is compatible with almost any kind of digital or action camera. That makes it a much more versatile option, so if you want a stick that you can use in any situation. Lightweight and durable construction. Fully waterproof and submersible. Quick and easy locking mechanisms. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best selfie sticks for GoPro or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 3. GoRad Gear Selfie Stick. Stand up to the kind of extreme sports that most GoPro users do. In this case, however, the GoRad gear is designed to withstand any environment, whether you take it out on the snow, in the jungle, or down in the depths. Wrist locking system for ease of use. Telescopes from 17 to 40 inches. Fully waterproof and submersible. Number 2. SANDMARC pole. SANDMARC. This version is a lighter and more versatile unit than the one above, weighing even less at just 9 ounces. However, don't let the weight fool you, it is still made of high-quality waterproof aluminum, and it comes with a sturdy tripod mount for better stability. Lightweight and durable construction. Rubber grip for better handling. Lanyard on the bottom for stability. Number 1. GoPro 3-Way Grip. Finding the right equipment for your camera, you want something that is as versatile and reliable as it is. In this case, the GoPro 3-Way mount is perfect for capturing a wide variety of shots as you can change it however you see fit to create custom visuals for your footage. Completely waterproof design. Works with all GoPro cameras. Lightweight and durable construction. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best selfie sticks for GoPro or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.